Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Sister
Thank
Derry,
you.
and Sister Derry, Mr. Derry, me just go on a war. Me and my friend there, my three friends just come pick me up, Derry. And I said, Derry, me there be there on the phone. I tell Fluffy, Fluffy stay upon the internet with me. Me go show you how war go, and she, me don't know she come down far. Cause me there tell me almost she pull up. And I said, Diary, me pull up and I said, the girl them sit down, two in at the store. And I said, my friend said, see them there, come know the girl them. And I said, me bust it over them blood
The
clot
one
head.
with it.
When me I drive off, me hear police and ambulance a come and ask Christ. Right, that's all. Yeah, don't fuck with her.
Who this?
Why you come down when I tell them to stay up on the internet? Don't you there on live no more?
Rubber, we are not rubber underscore vibe. What you mean by that? What you mean by that, rubber? The one puffy good yesterday. What you mean by that?
Yeah, Dari,
Enter the
just a
fire.
coming. Just a come back, Dari. Don't feel nobody follow them, yeah, man. And everything, everybody say follow them. I don't know why they must be good.
I look on them.
But them alright, you know. Turn on the central here, my heart, man, my heart. Boy, I'm tired, man. Dari not upon live again. I'm say Dari gone live. Yes, bad.
Um,
Yes. Real fully bad mama. So I stay my friend in my face. I'm loyal to my friend them right there, so Knox Christ. Yeah.
right there.
Oh, you mean that my friend them that come defend me same blood clot with you? Knox Christ. And them all my friend at the mall and shut off for her. Yeah? Two of them, yeah? Knox Christ. I will go do it back on them. Knox Christ. Right there, so. And them girl, they're not informer tonight. Them not inform. Get that straight. Them girl, they're real girl. If I war. Right there, so. Yeah, cause my friend not call police. She just come gather we up. I will deal with that thing and come back. Fully bad. See there, full black me take off, you know. All black me just see now. Ski mask and everything. Suck on the mother. Yeah. And
Right there, so.
tag screw off too. Wrong tag. So not leave no lead. Fully bad. Suck on the mother. Right there, so. So if they even run the tag them, they can't get nothing. Yeah.
I like you tell you have some camera can take down the mask. You never know that.
No. We're not. We're full thing different. When we do full thing different. One tier.
Oh.
A tag. Them they are gas station mass, but go through mass. I mean, we're thick mass. I have stuffy man. Right now, I want some rice and peas and now and some food and on my stomach. So see what time you go work tomorrow, but in the morning.
Yeah.
Right, there's a girl. Yeah.
Badgyal, Suzi. There you go.
It's all up. See, enough girl and boy Yankee you war with. Them now call no police for you. Remember me tell you. Jamaican was some informer. Jamaican love talk go call police and this and me not do Jamaican war. They love for war and then they run go call police. Look on them girl there. At the mall, they shut off from my friend girl, you know. And my friend not call the police, you know. She not call the police. My friend not call no blood clot police and one phone call. She said, Suzi, rise up. You out. A girl diss me. And she said, who want who? I said, which part them there? And I said, yeah, roll deep. And I just roll and I said the girl and I pull up. I say, see them, I say, kakam. I say, yo, pussy. And the girl them see it. And I say, kakam. Two over them blood clot head. And my next friend roll out and kakam over them bumbo clot again. Yo, the girl them bolt.
Hey,
Yeah?
good night. Good night, you know.
Good night, what go on?
Good night.
Suzi, what's up?
Nigga, they ain't just come off of some works.
Why come like a be? It come like everywhere I go up be a bad people and book up in a two black clock. I'm not telling a lie.
Yeah, man, just go do some work. Straight up. Live and everything. Good.
Host,
Yeah?
big up yourself in a sexy G.
Yeah.
You saw me reach a come back me. Wow. The pussy them I go. Suck on a mother. I'm go and go do on the job. Go speak up spank shell, wing shell. Suck on a mother. On the job that anyway.
But yeah, bad people.
What you mean? Not talk,
Tolerate
you know.
with the bad people them. I know Suzi bad and Puss bad, but I want next bad one this again.
Puss body in her mouth. I don't know if puss body in her real life. Puss body in her mouth. My body in her real life.
Right? It will not no bad. Me not tell no lie. Me kind of friend
No,
of
and you can't say the whole of we bad because some and everybody know if you clean it and oil it and select it and clock it back and put it on save it. I want to hear my youth. You think people can you come on internet you think you're bad?
No, me not do badness.
So this one me I tell you, I can't say everybody bad. It's not everybody bad. I'm telling you. You have some girl right now. You give them in your hand and say, hold this. But sit there, it's a shake. If you don't mind shaft, you have to hurry up, take your way. If you go, so when the drop it starts, spit to blood clot, like it's spit, it spin round. You don't know, say, I have one friend that says she a gangster, and I give her the thing and the girl drop the thing and make the shit a spin to blood clot. I hurry up, I have to hurry up and step on it, blood clot, and hold it down with my foot.
So you know
This one,
you know Suzi in her real life?
Who?
You know Suzi in her real life?
Who you talk to?
The
Oh,
host.
me?
Yeah.
Suzi fully bad. A chopper that. See you, girl. Big up yourself.
Them come shot at them, come for shot already, and I suppose. And Puss said, I laugh. I said, why go and jump off for the blood clot? Better start. Puss said, Suzi, don't fire, don't go a road. What do you, man? Think I check is around here, so?
Miss, follow me.
Puss, you love Tabo, follow you. You see, you love both mother. You want
A 2
big
point
cat of
million
follow
people may
you,
look
man,
follow
dear.
me, you know.
Yo, both follow.
A 2 point
What?
million people may look right now.
Why?
What you do with them?
No. Yeah,
Yo,
one girl Suzi I eat
what
that, you
you
know.
doing? When the blood clot there, no, come on.
So stop me just bite me from my leg to blood. Nah.
Hold on there, see me
Pick up
charge you,
yourself,
call me.
sunflower.
Watch you now. Watch you now, me, me charge you.
Oh,
Hold on.
what call it, Suzi?
Me charge you. I tell me if everything clear, the place clear. Hold on there. Yo. No man, me the old man, me good. Watch your face. Me call you back, I'm up on live. No say no word. Just text me. Alright, mama. We're good, man. Yeah.
Gifted dance, big up yourself, gifted.
Alright, mama. Bless. Alright.
Now I want
Why?
I want
Eh?
2.2 million people if you follow me right now.
And that may tell
Everybody
the
on the
man.
live right now, follow me. Yeah.
You know what?
Good night, good night, good night, good night.
Good night.
God. How this I know? Distance?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Boy, tough, you
Oh
know you
boy.
add up, okay? Me shake you when me see people just add up, so you know enough enemy have out here, you know.
Give me my enemy, Susie.
Eh?
Susie, me get shaky as well too, you know, come you know who, you know.
No, you know me
The
full enemy, you know. Them running when them ready, you know, shoot me down, you know, I have to get up back.
Susie, they kill me every day, you know. And thing.
No man, you have to know who you had, man. They running, man. I bust some blood clot fire.
Sunflower, me have to get some new people now, Sunflower. Me have to get some new people now. God no. Zane. Aye. Susie.